Alright guys, in this video we're gonna go over how you can lower your Chase bank fees. So just Google search for lower Chase fees, and this first article, this first website is the official Chase website. So if we click on it right here, basically what they will tell us is that there are different types of fees, different types of account fees, and how we can avoid them. So for example, let's do the monthly service fee. You have to select first the type of account that you're using. So Chase Premier Plus, Chase Sapphire checking, Chase High School checking, Chase Total checking. So first from the left hand side, you want to select the type of account that you have. And then I'm just going to leave it as the default one right here, Chase Total checking. And then you can click on this drop down menu and it will tell us how we can actually avoid the $12 monthly fee. So we got to meet one of the criteria set here. So electronic deposits made into this account totaling 500 or more. You can read through this. A balance of each day at the beginning of each day of 1500, or an average beginning day balance of 5000 in any combination of this account and link qualifying deposits / investments. So this is how we avoid the service fee, the maintenance fee. Then you have overdraft fees right here. You can read how you can avoid them as well as the ATM withdrawal charge fees. So here they are, you can go through them as well. So basically remember, you select the type of account that you have, and then Chase has a great article on this. So leave a like and sub if this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.